What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Carl. And kung napansin nyo, kasi may plinay ako na video sa post-processing na Richard Jefferson is saying that Team USA will not win the gold sa 2028. Si Carl, nag-usap kami about it. Chat-chat ako. Sabi ko, Oy Carl, feel ko talaga hindi mananalo. Sabi niya, ha? For him, mananalo USA sa 2028. Sa akin, hindi. Mainly because maraming reasons. So. Pero gusto ko muna malaman, Carl, bakit mananalo ang US for you sa 2028 LA Olympics? At bakit sila matatalo sa Gilas? The joke lang. The joke. And why Gilas will be the champs? Oh, anyway, go lang, sorry. Na gusto
Reason
ko
to
lang singit
Gilas
yung
yan.
Gilas.
Hindi, for the US kasi, unang-una sa lahat, nasa LA yan eh.
Okay.
Let's not take it out of consideration na hometown crowd. So, ano na yan, given na yan in a lot of tawag dito, a lot of competitions. Lagi namang may importance yung hometown crowd. I think ganun din mangyayari sa US.
Okay.
Kung alam na natin na dominant ang US in most Olympic Games throughout the past 20, 30 years, I would say the same lalo na dito sa LA. So that's
Mm.
one, hometown. Number two, sabi nga ni Richard Jefferson, 'di ba? Herculean effort daw. It took us our greatest basketball players. Pero ang argument ko dito is US pa rin ang the best eh in terms of
Okay.
basketball programs. Sige, we can
Okay.
say na France is number two or approaching very closely to number two along with Spain and the
Yeah.
usual European powers. Pero let's look at the core or kung sino yung mga medyo sure in the next 3 years, no? Kasi it's happening in 2028. So it's Tyrese Halliburton, sure in yan. Jason Tatum,
Uh,
Devin Booker, Anthony Edwards. So as you can see, butas yung 5, yung center natin.
si
That
Bam.
leaves
Si Bam
open
Adebayo lang talaga. For me, oh,
for
sige, go.
sige. For now si Bam, I'm
For now,
very
si
sure
Bam
up
lang
until niya si
naisip ko
Bam.
eh. Oo.
Medyo sure yan. Pero ang iniisip ko rin na names actually, si Triple J ng Memphis
Oo.
might become superstar big. Evan Mobley ng Cleveland. Tama, Cleveland Cavaliers. Evan Mobley. Number three, fan favorite of the podcast, Chet Holmgren.
Oh
Might
yeah, we
be
like
possible.
Chet Holmgren, yes.
And number four, ito pa, stretch to for a lot of people, pero I think his game would be important to a Team USA basketball team. Naz Reid.
Naz Reid! Pwede,
Naz Reid, bro.
pwede. Actually, si Naz Reid, if we're gonna do FIBA ball, no?
Oh,
Naz Reid.
undersized eh. Undersized, pero when you want him to when you want to find a guy na effort or pure effort maglaro, Nasrid yung hahanapin mo eh. Those types of players. Oo nga,
Wait, so
uh,
Naz
yeah.
Reid, effort guy, could space the floor. So, in terms of, he can also play defense from what I remember, si Naz Reid
Oh,
naman.
yeah.
But it's gonna
Ano
be
siya,
super
quality big.
clear that this is the biggest hole para sa
Mm,
USA. Unless sabihin mo Cooper
yeah.
Flag turns into like a small ball five center na sobrang imba, 'di ba? But I don't think that's gonna happen. I just feel like he's a Kawhi Leonard in terms of defensive impact at the
Mm,
four. I don't think you can slot him at the five. May
mm,
exposure sa international game, feel ko.
true.
Kasi it doesn't look
True.
like a guy that could hit the three on a reliable basis, at least in the NBA
Now,
range.
for now, for
For
now.
now. Pero feel ko
For
hindi siya
now, three
magde-develop
years.
in that kind of guy eh. Ikaw, you're,
3
you're
years?
ano, you're hopeful that Cooper Flag will develop a knockdown three na kapag na wide
At
open.
at the very least, kasi if the Mavericks need that franchise guy, and if USA basketball needs the franchise guy, quote unquote,
Hindi pa siya franchise guy in 2028 for sure. Tagal pa.
talaga.
2032 pa siguro. Hindi pa.
Oh,
Kasi by that time, US, yung mga, they will have Ant-Man. That's your face.
oh,
You have
yeah.
Ant-Man, Tatum, uh, Hali, to some extent.
Mm. Pero kasi
Dibo,
kailangan din nila ng
medyo
ano eh.
old guy. 31 na siya by
Kailangan nila
that
ng
time eh.
tawag dito,
Ano?
nung go-to guy. I
Okay,
think
yeah.
may portions na magiging go-to guy si Cooper Flag, pero siguro as a second or third option, kung sino man yung nasa floor na veteran, baka ganon.
Okay, gets. Ano pa
Mm.
for USA? Why you think they would win the gold in 2028?
Ano eh, lagi nating minimension in any conversation pagdating sa ganito, yung team chemistry.
Okay.
Corny siya na talking point. Honestly, kahit ako na-corny, ano ako sinasabi ko pa lang. Pero kasi from a basketball viewer's perspective, hindi mo maipagkakaila na kailangan talaga nung you need that cohesion yung togetherness na yun.
Mm.
These USA guys have been playing how many years together? Tapos bigyan mo pa ng extra 3 years to play in the NBA tapos in summer training camps wherever they might be. I think kaya eh. The talent is there.
Mm.
Talented sila. Pero it will be hindi siya as easy as before. Nakita na natin to last Olympics with LeBron, Luka, KD putting on, sorry, Luka, Steph and KD
Oo.
putting on Herculean efforts. Nakita na natin yun. This
Oo.
year, this coming Olympics, team effort to.
So it's mostly gonna be a Team USA na kalat-kalat yung scoring. Which kalat-kalat
Walang,
naman last time. Pero
oo,
walang clear go-to guy na, okay, we're gonna give it to
true.
Steph or Braun. Actually, not
Yep.
Steph or Braun. It's Steph or KD. You don't give the
Mm-mm.
ball to Braun in the Olympics. You give it to Steph or KD. Diba
Oh, for
nagde-defer
sure.
sila sa kanilang dalawa. You need a bucket, you
Oh,
give it to those two. Except
yeah,
nung
they know
kinalaban ng
naman.
US yung Germany nung priest nung
Hindi si Lebron.
iba yun eh. Pero iba yun eh, di ba? That's ano
Oo.
eh. Wala namang ano yun eh. Stakes. Siguro ano lang yun for pride. Pero if they lose there, okay lang naman. Hindi siya
Mm-mm.
as damning as if you lose in the actual Olympics, in the
Mm-mm.
real games. Pero knowing if matalo US doon, sa Germany though, like real talk, feel ko gigisahin pa rin sila ng mga fans.
Oo,
Or ng
tune up
mga
yun eh.
tune-up kasi, di ba? Na parang, oh, you assemble. Kasi si LeBron yung sisisihin nila.
Oh, lagi naman eh. Lightning rod si Lebron for everything. So, to be
Lightning
expected.
Road si LeBron for everything. Na ako, I feel like US will not win the gold is because of teams like France. Titingnan ko yung mga ano eh. Di lang France eh. For me, it's France, Canada, Germany, Serbia, and Spain. So those are the
Mm-mm.
five contenders for the gold for a low and Gilas Pilipinas. For ano, kidding aside, no? So those five for France kasi or actually let's start with the favorites to go up against the US, Canada.
Mm-mm.
SGA, Jamal Murray, RJ Barrett. You got sina Ben Mathurin, Shadon Sharp, Zach Edey. Not to put a lot of weight on Zach Edey's name, ah. Zach Edey.
Not to
Lou
put a
Dort.
lot of weight, ah.
Lou Dort's gonna be there. I feel like they have the personnel to keep up with this new age 2028 Team USA, no? Na kaya nila makipag-match kina Hali, Ant, Tatum, Evan Mobley, Bam Adebayo. Even though na from top to bottom, USA pa rin in terms of by star quality name. Pero kasi sa Canada, they start their preparations earlier. May magkakilala na mga to from the past as well.
Mm-mm.
Actually, Canada kasi, ano rin eh, they're getting it together. They have had their best finishes in the past World Cup and in the Olympics, right? They have done that.
Teka, nawala ka
And
saglit.
ano wala ako saglit.
Oo. Sa may Canada as well ka nawala.
Yeah, okay, you didn't miss much naman. If I
Okay,
just
okay.
I feel like yung mga players sila mas may chemistry compared to they start their preparations earlier compared to how Team USA starts their preps. Pero the fact na sabi mo nga na sa LA gagawin yung preparation, everyone's there. Uh, everyone's already there. Same for
Oo.
their players though. I mean,
Mm.
Canada is just there. North
Oo.
of the US. It's not like ang laking travel gagawin and everything. So, that's for Canada. At least yung mga players na minention ko. Nandun rin sina, Andrew Nembhard. By that time, hindi mo alam how good Andrew Nembhard would be considering na he's a breakout player for Indiana. Not saying not saying superstar. I'm just saying na they have quality players na talaga.
Yeah. Yung core
We're
players.
in. Itong five other teams ito, I would choose their chemistry over Team USA, by the way.
Interesting. Sino
Oh,
kaya
I
yun?
would
Sino
choose
kaya
their
yun?
chemistry. Next one is France.
Mm.
So sa France, Wemby. Mga starters na inisip ko. Wemby, Risa Shea, sina Bilal Koulibaly, Alex Sarr could be a candidate sa Team France by 2028. He's
Okay.
shown some flashes nung patapos na yung season for the Wizards, although in a losing effort, but at least he found his confidence. Unlike nung mga summer league games niya, people are wondering, wait, paano to naging number one pick? Di ba? Tapos Killian Hayes, Ousmane Dieng, Evan Fournier, super old guy na by that time. Not sure if he'll still be there. Rudy Gobert will still be there.
For
So
sure.
the Team USA frontline will get decimated at least in the center spot. Feel ko maraming matchup opportunities sa hanapin ng France to make sure that Wemby gets the most favorable matchup.
Mm.
Kasi I don't think Joel Embiid will be healthy na by 2028, 'di
No,
ba?
no, no.
As of this year,
I don't think so. I don't think so.
wala na siya. Feel ko, hot take, pero feel ko Joel Embiid will retire by 2028. Or if not
Oh,
retire, he's on his last knees in playing for Team USA. And even the 76ers.
yeah.
Diba? Pero at least he reached his peak. He became an MVP, so at least naabot niya yun. We can give him that. It could have been easily a Greg Oden with how he started his career, di ba? Did he
Yep.
miss his first 2 years? First 2 years ba yung
Oh,
na-miss ni...
foot
First two
issues
years,
yun
di
eh.
ba? Foot
Oh,
issues and knee issues, lahat. So that's for
back
France.
pa. Oh.
Na at least yung ano, yung mga notable players right now. It could definitely add as the drafts come by, no? You'll never know who will come out
Mm.
in 2 years. In 3 years. 2025 lang ngayon. For Serbia, we got the Joker, 33 years old. I still feel like he'll be great during that time. Si Pokusevski, if you remember, si Poku, mga NBA cards enthusiast dyan. Nikola Jovic, Vasily Micic, Bogdan Bogdanovic. Meron din yung mga NBA players, sina Tristan Vukcevic, mga Washington Wizards legend.
Si-
Petrusev, Ognen Dobric, sina Guduric. So, they still have those Serbian guys. They still have Nikola Jokic. We're in Serbia. Will be relying on those familiarity again with one another. Kasi yun naman talaga edge ng international teams against Team USA.
True.
Because USA has always had overwhelming talent. Pero ngayon kasi, hindi siya as overwhelming as what we're used to. Then again, anything can change, no, within the next 3 years. Who knows? Tyrese Halliburton could change into uh Steve Nash on steroids and Chris Paul.
Oh, true.
Yeah, he could definitely morph into a Chris Paul, Steve Nash on steroids na 6'6", di ba?
Possible.
Tatum could definitely bounce back from that Achilles injury. He'll be 30 by then. Anthony Edwards will be 26. Mali mo, Michael Jordan na siya talaga by that time. He definitely has that game of Michael Jordan. And Evan Mobley, a defensive stud. Pero never doubt guys like Serbia who kept it close against the US nung mga preseason matchup nila. Nung Olympics ata, tambakan na sila eh, no? Yung
Pero dumikit eh. Dumikit ng first half
dumikit,
yun eh.
dumikit ng first half, then lumayo
Ah,
ang US. Pero
tas
feel ko talaga
talent
may
na.
yeah. So I'm just sharing like the most notable players for each country so that people could comment as well who they think could dethrone USA. Gilas Pilipinas, Kai Soto at the 5, 4 at sino ba 4? AJ Edu, Dwight Ramos, Kevin Kiambao at the 2. Carl Tamayo. Sino kaya point guard natin? Who's our point guard?
Scottie Thompson, bro.
Oh, 2028? Still Scott. Actually, yeah, Scotty will
Bro.
still be.
Bro.
Mamaya na yung
Bro.
Gilas, mamaya na yung Gilas, mamaya na yung Gilas, mamaya na yung Gilas. We're gonna get there. We'll end it with Gilas. That's for Serbia. For Spain, Spain's gonna be young. Sina Usman Garuba. Oh, you know that, Carl. Houston
Classic.
Rockets legend. Yeah, cards people would know Usman Garuba. Whenever you would pull him, ay, Usman Garuba na naman. Santi Aldama is playing like a great. Diba?
Oh yeah.
Santi is playing well for Team Spain. Jaime Pradilla, Hugo Gonzalez, Juan Nunez. These are young guys right now. They're currently 21 and 22 years old. By that time, they'll be 24, 25. Itong mga players ng Spain, if you guys know about them, let us know. Si Aizan Almansa, Aday Mara. Ito, young, highly touted 7'3" center with NBA lottery potential. He's currently
Damn.
20. Yeah, he's 7'3". Aday Mara. I think he'll declare 2020 next year, upcoming. Willie Hernan Gomez, the Hernan Gomez Bros. Ano ulit pangalan ni Juancho dun sa ano? Sa
Si Kermit
movie?
naalala ko si Anthony Edwards yun eh.
Wait. Juancho Hernan Gomez name in movie. What's his name? Bo Cruz! Ayan. Carl. Ayan, Bo
Oh,
Cruz.
yun.
Si
Bo
Bo
Cruz!
Cruz. So they have Bo Cruz, so that automatically makes them a contender. And then, yun nga, no, Baba Miller. These Spanish names. Miller pa. 24, versatile wing forward, may NBA upside. Did they miss some? Oh yeah, Germany. That's the last. Germany. Schroeder, who turns into prime, so prime point guard ngayon na, who turns into a prime point guard, prime NBA superstar point guard whenever it's FIBA. Franz Wagner will only be 26 by that time. Isaac Bonga, who was turned into a great FIBA player as well. Mo Wagner, Ariel Hookporty. Tama si Ariel Hookporty, plays for
Familiar.
New York.
New York.
He'll be only 26 by then. And feel ko magkakaspot siya sa rotation ni new head coach of New York, Carl. Mike
Si
Brown? Is it Mike
Mike
Brown?
Brown. Not Woodson eh. Mike
Hindi na,
Brown. Nag
eh,
Woodson ang putik.
New York Knicks head coach. Mike Brown.
Mike Brown. Yeah,
It's, yeah, just making sure. Just making sure. Magkamali pag dito eh.
I got you.
Uh, Hook Party, and then sina Mau Dolo, Oscar da Silva, Tristan da Silva, Justus Hollatz. So meron talaga silang mga, for me Germany will be the least team will be the last team to win the Olympics. Feel ko lang, who knows, right? Unless they will
Out
have
of
that
those
new
five.
out
Out
of
of those
those
five.
five. Feel ko Canada muna. After Canada, it's France because Wemby is something else, man. Like, you'll never know. And with all the talent that
Mm,
France will be fielding by then. Kasi right now, di ba, pag sinabi mong Zachary Risache, Bilal Coulibaly, pag sinabi mong Tijan Saloon from the Hornets, pag sinabi mong Alexar, they're all like, eh. Kasi wala pa eh.
mm,
They haven't proven much.
true.
But you'll never know. You'll never know that these guys could just explode one year and then make it all work by the time 2028 arrives.
Mm.
So, I feel like it'll be Canada. If not Canada, France. It's 1A, 1B for me. Yun yung 1A, 1B.
Okay, I was about to ask ko sino dun yung 1A mo kasi I'm
Hirap
pretty
eh.
sure on the top eh.
Magkaano eh. In terms of overall depth, Canada. But
Mm,
star talent, it's Wemby. Star talent. And then feel ko Risa Shea could be a great second option na pang
mm,
FIBA. He has that Dennis Schroeder, uh when yung ini-increase nila yung play nila pagdating sa FIBA. Feel ko
mm.
si Risa Shea pwede
Possible.
for that. So that's why I believe na it'll be a disappointing Olympics for Team USA sa 2028. They'll go back right down to earth. That time, kasi as of right now, I don't see it yet unless na yun nga, you have to expect Ant-Man to be that guy. Kasi right now, 'di ba, recency bias. We didn't see it.
Mm,
He
mm,
was benched in favor of the guys like LeBron. Alam mo na yun. You know that
mm.
five that Team USA fielded out. Tatum was benched, actually. Infamous benching by
Yep.
Steve Kerr. I don't think Steve Kerr will be the coach by 2028. Iba na by then siguro.
Baka Tylo yan actually.
Baka Ty Lue. And hindi naman to definite na USA will not win ever. It's just right now based on what we're seeing this 2025 and building on kay Richard Jefferson. That's how things look like. So Carl, let's not talk about Gilas making it to 2028, no? Like legit, like we can end it with that one. Let's end it with the yes or no muna. Do
Mm.
you think do we finally make the Olympics sa 2028? And if so, ano yung mga kailangan mangyari for Gilas to make it? Here's mine. You can add
Sige, sige,
more
sige.
stuff
Let's see,
here.
let's see.
We really need Kyle Soto to be healthy as hell, man. He really needs to be healthy. He needs to play outside the PBA for as long as he can, learn the international game. Kung sa kanya, maging EuroLeague legend na lang siya, screw the NBA. Mag-EuroLeague ka na lang. 'Di ba? What's wrong about playing the EuroLeague? It's great to play in
True.
the EuroLeague. That's the perfect place for him. 7-1
Mm.
big, 7-2 big, with his skill set na high post passer, could shoot the three, getting kumakaldag na sa paint. 'Di ba nakita mo? Parang niya kinakaldag yung mga New Zealand players when they played here.
Hindi na siya finesse player. May
Hindi
finesse pa
na.
rin, oo.
May
Pero
pagka-finesse pa rin,
physical na
pero
siya eh.
hinahanap niya na yung bump eh.
Yep.
before he used to shy away from it, and we could see that from the FIBA Under 19 World Cup. But w- pero nung qualifiers, bro, 'di ba Carl? Kitang-kita mo na
Mm,
iba. He was looking for the contact. Ang layo-layo ng
mm,
guy, hahanapin niya. Gagano din siya muna bago tumira. And that Olympic qualifiers was really inspiring, man.
mm.
The qualifiers beating Latvia and everything. You could say na, oh, wala naman yung main point guard nila eh. Eh ano ngayon?
Panalo
Lahat
pa
yan,
rin eh.
panalo pa rin. World number 5 kayo.
Oo.
uh Kevin Kiambao and Carl Tamayo have to catch up with their
Instrumental.
development. Instrumental. That those two are crucial, no? It's very like yes, sasabihin ng tao Kai Soto, but you're kind of leaning on Carl, you're kind of leaning on KQ, and you're leaning on medyo hot take, but Mason Amos. Kailangan mo ng ganong forward to stretch the floor. Kailangan mo ng RDO
Fair.
level. And ang maganda kay Mason ngayon, he's getting thin, he's thinner. He could
Totoo ba?
He's thinner na, he's thinner.
Good.
There's more muscle na actually. Nawala na yung baby fats for Mason.
Good.
Easier na for him to dunk si Mason, and those are the crucial developments, no, na right now based on our pool. And
Mm.
I still want guys like Renza Bando there, RJ Abarrientos
RJ
to
has to
step
be
up.
there.
RJ has,
Kailangan nando si RJ.
feel ko si Scotty kasi by that time, with the way he plays, medyo bugbog na katawan niya. Carl, Scotty
True.
throws his
True.
body around like a rag doll for those
True.
rebounds. Honorable, yes. Pero we're talking about 3 years from now. Imagine 3 more years of wear and tear with Barangay Ginebra, with the way he's playing na kalawit
Mm.
rebound, throwing his body to get that board.
Mm.
It's gonna catch up to him. Those mini
Bibigay din.
injuries, bibigay din. So we really have to start as early as now. Follow the Japan development na what they're doing with their players. And I'm sure there will be more Filipino players na lalabas na from now till 2028. I remember watching a video, Carl. Si W Gameplay page, I'm sure you watch him
Mm.
sa YouTube, nakikita mo. One of the more
Mm.
logical guys na panood din na hindi burat pakinggan. He's one of the very few that makes sense. He had a video that popped up 2019.
Mm.
He made a video. Tapos he made like a lineup for 2023. He did his something like this.
Mm.
He made his final 12. Out of the 12 that he gave, dalawa lang yung nakapasok. Imagine mo, he had like sina Kobe Paras, Richie Rivero. Pero at that time, think about it. No, no, no. Think about it at that time. 2018, 2019, mainit pangalan nila noon. They were the rising stars during that time.
Ako,
'Di ba?
hot take.
So you
Hot
would,
take ko, alam mo, Nico, ang
ano?
hot take ko dyan. I never saw world-class talent in Richie and Kobe. As in, hindi kasi,
Even
never ko,
Kobe?
bro, hindi.
Si Kobe yung parang pinaka
Bro,
nung
hindi.
2019 ah. Mag-aaway tayo 2019. 2019, not now. Friends tayo ngayon. 2019. At that time, Kobe was a typical 6'6" high-flying wing you wanted in a Gilas team.
Din, bro.
So, hindi talaga for you. Bakit? Ano yung nakita mong mga
Like,
red flags na by that time na why you felt like hindi to pang Gilas despite mainit pangalan niya 6, 7 years ago?
kasi di ba ano nga siya, fan favorite siya na parang, uy, ano na, yung next
Yeah, he
savior
was.
natin at the forward spot.
He was that guy. Yeah,
Tapos,
he was that
things
guy.
happened along the way. Pero kasi, may mga kwento at the time na talented si Kobe, yes, pero there were questions about his effort, lalo na when it
Mm.
came to training for the national team and even with, alam ko, UP at the time. There were questions about it na talaga ba siyang mag-e-effort for UP in the UAAP. To his credit, nag-effort naman siya pero hindi siya yung talent niya wasn't as transcendent as we were hoping to be.
Oo.
Kaya even then parang hindi ko nakita na magigilas or at the very least magna-national team si Kobe for the
Mm.
seniors. Kasi alam ko magaling siya eh. Pero ewan ko, I don't know what happened to him along the way. Whether he struggled with things that we don't know or may personal problem siyang dinadala. I don't know. I can't say for him kasi syempre, ayaw naman natin bastusin yung tao na personal space niya. So
Oh
yun
yeah,
nga
for
eh.
sure. I
Pero
think he lost motivation to play basketball. I think
it could be.
from what I kasi with all the pressure and everything, no,
Mm.
na a nation was riding on you.
Oo. Kaya I'm still hoping
And
for the
hindi
best
naman niya
for
hiningi.
Kobe now. Sana may comeback. Sana. But I don't know if it will happen.
Oh, feel ko wala na. Feel ko ay parang nagdo-double ano nga siya, 'di ba? Ano tawag dito? Nagse-second guess pa nga siya sa PBA. So you don't need to force
Mm-mm.
him for that one. You
Yeah.
can't really force him
Yeah.
sa what he wants to do. Pero at that time, I was just really high on Kobe para. But
Mm-mm.
yeah, again, the reason I mentioned that conversation, that video, is because a lot can change per year.
Mm-mm.
You'll never know kung si Tim Cone pa rin ba, 'di ba? Anything can change eh. We had Tab. I mean, noong 2019, 2020, 2018, 2019, si Tab yung iniisip natin. 'Di ba?
Kaso no comment na lang ako dyan.
'Di ba? Yeah, you know that and then the pandemic happened, then that podcast
Yeah.
happened.
Yep. Wala, sayang
So,
eh. Sayang. It would have been siguro for for the FIBA Asia Cup siguro it would have been expedited yung progress ng Gilas. Kasi Tab had his training programs ready and the coaching staff was prepared. Pero yun nga, things got in the way. Not at liberty to say. And I think alam naman na ng mga tao yan what happened. So, yun, sayang. But we learned from it. We learned from our mistakes. Sana, hopefully we learned from it.
yeah. Well, ano ba sa for Gilas, last one? On all the, meron ka ba bang young guy na feel mo na dapat, sa akin, Carl, KQ, RJ, even Renz, for me, mandatory yun. I'm really high on
Renz has
Renz
to be.
Abando.
Renz has to be
I'm
there.
high on Renz. Are you high on Renz Abando as
Eh,
a
nakita mo
Gilas?
naman siya sa Jones Cup eh.
Yeah,
Eh, nakita natin sa Jones Cup eh.
uh,
Yung kailangan
ako
mo
na
ng ano
nga
eh.
pala.
'Di ba? Like, ano siya eh. Yung ibang-iba na siya from his UST days na Mr. Pure Energy siya on the court na makulit. Ano na eh, refined na si Renz ngayon. May shooting na. Tawang-tawa ako sa shooting niya versus
Mm.
um, sino to? Bad trip, I
Ano?
forget the team. Sino yung kalaban sa Jones Cup na nag-init si Renz? Bad trip naman. But was it Bahrain?
I forgot, man. The straight games of just
I think Bahrain or Malaysia yata yon. One of those two. I would like to believe na nag-init si Renz from three that gave Philippines the lead and the caution na kailangan early
mm.
on. So, I think he can do that for the national team. I think, Renz has to be there. Renz, RJ, Carl, KQ, Kai. Yun yung core five. Scotty, as you pointed out, might not be there, sadly. JMF will certainly not be there at that point kasi he would be, what, 36, 37? So, I don't know.
Damn.
Baka sa Junmar wala.
Junmar, I don't think wala na, Carl. I don't think he's gonna be there
Tapos,
anymore.
I think, yeah. Tapos na yung
He's
window ni
gonna beg
Junmar.
off for sure. And
Yeah.
I know naman na he's just gonna get
Siguro naman din,
slower.
siguro naman din si Tito Japet wala na rin by that time.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Wala na si Tito Japet by that time.
Sino pa bang bigs natin na quality na pwede mag-national team? Si Ange. Kaso si
He has to
Ange,
be natural. Sana makonsider siya
natu-
as a local
as a
na.
natural. Tama. Tama. As a local
Local,
player.
as a local na.
As a
Local na.
local.
Hindi na siya
Tama, tama.
naturalized, as a local na. Kasi, di parang merong rules si FIBA na if 5 years has passed, you can now blah, blah, blah. Technically, I'm just played beyond that. It's
Parang
2025.
may ini ba sila about that eh? Na rules,
Di
na
ko
parang
alam.
gano'n
You
na
have to
yung rules
research.
na iba na yung localization process nila or considerations yung gano'n nila. So I don't know. Magulo FIBA. Let's be honest about that. Magulo si FIBA sa mga eligibility and qualifications nila. So, sige, let's consider na si Ange ay considered sa local. Wings. Ang dami nating wings. Si Dwight has to be there. Ramos.
Yeah, Dwight
AJ
will be there.
Edu. AJ Edu siguro. CJ Perez has to be there also rin.
Di ko lalagay si CJ doon. Marami yung ibang pwedeng
Ooh.
pamalit kay CJ Perez, bro. Madami yan.
Sige nga. Like, ano lang, entertain. Sinong pwede mo ipalit kay CJ?
I had a
Top
Gilas
of head lang.
episode with one of the guys
Mm,
before. Uh, I don't have CJ in my final 12. Kasi
interesting.
if you're gonna put in RJ, Renz, Mason, isa dun tatanggalin si CJ. That's my point. Isa dun.
Okay, fair.
Isa
Fair.
dun.
Fair,
Kalaban nila
fair.
sa pwesto yun eh.
Mason has to be there. I agree.
Mason has to be there kailangan eh. You really, rare ang shooting na ganun eh. Hindi ka magsasurvive sa international game without shooting. We need to have more knockdown shooters. Javi GDL. Javi
Javi
GDL. I
possible.
will love to have him in Gilas.
Agree. I completely agree.
I'll choose Javi GDL over CJ Perez right now.
Yeah, true. Kailangan ng
Ah,
big
okay,
hit.
kala ko awayin
Question
mo ako
Porter.
eh. Kala ko
Porter.
awayin mo ako doon eh. Oo.
Chris Porter.
Chris Port, ha? Rage bait ka. Chris Porter. Are you talking about the
Ay,
same guy?
ayaw mo?
Bakit?
Chris,
Undersized 4
Christian
yun,
ha?
men. Oo
Ayaw mo?
nga. 6'3", power forward.
Ayaw mo?
Sige, we can end it here. Carl, medyo naman lang kasi walan. Guys, let us know who you think could dethrone Team USA and sino yung magiging Final 12 ng Gilas if ever we made it to the 2028 Olympics.
Very
Tapos
big if.
sabihin natin wala na si Justin Brownlee by that time. Oh, that sounded wrong. That sounded wrong. Let's assume natin na Justin Brownlee will have retired from international game. Wala na siya, bud. Will
Kinabahan
have
ako dun.
retired will have retired from international play by 2028. Considering the dude right now is Justin Brownlee age. It's
33,
37.
34,
He's gonna be 40.
30. My
He's
bad.
gonna be
Off pa
40.
pala ako.
Wala na yan. Wala na yan. Like, of course, credits to JB. Everything you have done. Pero sa sobrang mahal namin, so we're not gonna run your body to the ground at 40.
No.
Hindi gagawin ni Coach Tim yun. He'll be sad to see you. Like, oh, Coach Tim, get no more. I'm sure we'll have somebody there. Sana si Benny Boatwright. Sana somebody else. But the search continues. You have 3 years. Anything can happen.
True.
Yun lang naman guys. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. This is Nico with Carl. Peace.